Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the HPDP library MSL 6480. So this is the home page of the HP library MSL 6480. Right, you can see on the home page we have lots of information like user detail from which you used to log in, and these are the recent events. Like here you are showing the logs from the library which is generated recently. You can see this is the latest one. I have logged in on the interface. Right. On the left hand side, you will see the serial number, host name, IP address, the firmware version. Right. This is the actually this is the IP if you want to log in on the command line on this library. So you can use this IP. So in this library total we have four drives, one, two, three, four. You can see over here. So we'll see the one by one all of these options. Now let me go first in the status. Right. So here you can see the library status. It's showing all of the information like the serial number, the robotic version, robotic firmware, all these details in the library status. Right. So so right now there is a no backup is in the writing mode. All of the drive is empty. Right. That's why it's showing ideal mode, and you can see the total power, the power on time here. Is the right. So actually, in this library, we do not have any the module. We have only the base. Right. In the base, we have the four drives. This is the base information. The power supply, upper power supply, fan. Right. Now here you can see the second option. These are the media details which is inserted in the libraries, the slots. Next, the partition. Right. So you can see it's 1.1. So it's partition one, and you will see the partition two over here. Right. So it's showing the both partitions, right? Both partition media. So we have configured this library. The total number of the slots in this library are around 80. So we have configured a 40 slots in a one partition and the 40 slots in the another partition. You can see the drive status. So you can see the drive status, all of the information, serial number, WPN number, right? So all drives, one, two, three, four. The network status, you can see the host name, domain name, command view TL. You can see that IPs I told you in the starting. So this is the IP address which we have configured for the command line view. Here are the contact detail. Just go back to the home page. Then I'll show you the operation. So the operation section, if you want to move the media from one slide to the another, uh, the one slot to the another slot. So you can directly move the media from a slot to drive or drive to slot from here. Right, you just need to click over here and select the slot. Then there is the option for submit. Once you submit, then it will automatically move the media from this slot to this slot. Right, so you can see there are lots of options over here. Clean drive, you can clean the drive manually from here. Rescan the inventory, it will run the rescanning of the whole library, and it will rescan all of the media. Now just go back to the home page. We have the configuration. So in the configuration, you can see there are lots of options. From here, you can configure your library like The network configuration, you can put the network detail over here. Network management. Here you can put the SNMP and SMTP details. The drives. Right. You can configure the drive port type and speed over here. Mail slot. Right. Actually, you do not. Actually, we have used this library of the partition wise, so we have you do not left any of the mail slot in this, so that's why it's showing mail slot disabled. Right. The partition, it's showing a partition. You can configure the partition from here. Encryption, if you want to enable the encryption, you can configure from here. User account, here it show the user account detail and web management, your manager. Here are the basic task which I'm showing you. The maintenance, from the maintenance you can collect the logs, right? System test and the firmware upgrade, reboot, drive reboot, move over to base media, auto calibration. So all these operation you can perform over here. Now moving to the open magazine, right? So you can you can open any of the magazine at the left side or the right side, because if you see the libraries, so there are you can you can open both of the side the magazines, and you can put the media inside there. So you can open from here also. So this one we have already we have not enabled the main slot. That's why it's not showing here. So that's all about the HP MSL 6400 library. We'll see you in the next one. Uh, next video. Thank you.